Let's get real about this. 2 seasons ago, I landed in a new city. My luggage vanished, a retainer client hit a budget freeze, and suddenly I was staring at a 2-week cash flow hole. I felt that cold stomach drop panic. You know it. I've been exactly where you are right now. Today, we're building a 30-day emergency cash flow playbook you can run from anywhere. Prioritized moves by speed, reliability, and legal risk. No hype, just the real steps. By the end of this episode, you'll have 1 or 2 plays you can sprint on this week, plus scripts, pricing anchors, and a 7-day example to get you to first dollar fast. Quick note before we start. This is operational guidance, not personalized legal or financial advice. If your situation involves complex taxes, visas, or permits, check with a local professional, and I'll tell you how to run a 48-hour legality check as we go. Ready? Let's build that 6-figure life together. Triage framework. Decide fast. When your runway suddenly shrinks, you make choices by 4 quick filters. Speed, how fast can you get paid? Certainty, likelihood of delivery and payment. Legal and regulatory risk, is this allowed where you are? And reputation cost. Will this move harm long-term relationships? Pick 1 or 2 plays that score high on speed and certainty, low on legal risk, and acceptable on reputation. Example, reaching out to current retainer clients for a pause fee is high on certainty and low on reputation cost, usually a good first call. On the other hand, booking a public pop-up without checking local permits is fast but a legal red flag. So the rule, always run the 48-hour legality check for public events and venues. That's your triage filter. Speed, certainty, legal risk, reputation. Choose your plays through that lens. Okay, the 6 rapid revenue plays. I'll give each one a 1-line promise, the time to first dollar, conservative pricing anchors, and the simplest tech to collect payment. Pick 1 or 2 and run a 7-day sprint. Play 1, retainer rescue and pause fee. Promise, stabilize cash flow without burning the client. Time to first dollar, same day to 72 hours. Script, acknowledge the relationship, offer a short pause with a reduced scope and a pause fee, or an upfront mini project to bridge the gap. Pricing anchor, pause fee equals 10 to 30% of monthly retainer, or a one-off bridge project at 25 to 50% of a normal monthly rate for 2 weeks' work. Tech, invoice via Stripe, PayPal, or your usual retainer portal. Reputation guard, provide a clear timeline, deliverables list, and a refund or rollback window. Play 2, 48-hour micro-offer validation. Promise, validate a simple, high-value offer and charge within 48 hours. Time to first dollar, 24 to 48 hours. Structure, create a focused deliverable, an audit, a 1-hour strategy session plus a 1-page plan, or a 3-email welcome sequence. Price, $75 to $350 depending on skill level and market. Tech, Calendly plus Stripe or Gumroad. Validation trick, use a single landing page and 10 DMs or emails to pass contacts. If 3 people pay in 48 hours, scale the offer. Play 3, local pop-up or mini workshop monetization. Promise, monetize your knowledge in a single live session. Time to first dollar, 48 to 96 hours after promotion. Price anchor, $15 to $50 for community meetups, $50 to $200 for professional workshops. Tech, Eventbrite, Meetup, or a Google Form plus Stripe. Fast legality step, do a 48-hour permit venue check or partner with a co-working space to avoid permit needs. Reputation guard, cap attendees, promise limited seats, and offer an email follow-up with deliverables. Play 4, premium time block sales. Promise, sell high-rate short blocks of your time. Time to first dollar, same day to 7 days. Structure, offer 90-minute power sessions, implementation blocks, or VIP office hours. Price anchor, 2 to 6 times your hourly consulting rate for a condensed high-value slot. For example, a $150 per hour consultant sells a $400 90-minute slot. Tech, Calendly plus Stripe, send a 1-page brief to streamline delivery. Reputation guard, set clear outcomes and a satisfaction check-in. Play 5, verified marketplace sprint. Promise, pick low-friction gigs on marketplaces you already trust. Time to first dollar, 24 to 72 hours for quick gigs. Targets, short gigs on Upwork, Fiverr Pro, TopTal snippets, or specialized marketplaces for designers, writers, and developers. Price anchor, aim for mid-range gigs you can deliver fast, underprice slightly for speed but keep it profitable. Tech, profile refresh, 3 targeted proposals, and a strong 1-paragraph pitch. Reputation guard, Underpromise, overdeliver, and ask for quick feedback. Play 6. Small batch product or pre-sale. Promise. Pre-sell a simple product or course to fund delivery. Time to first dollar, 3 to 14 days depending on audience. Structure. A 3-part email sequence, 1 sales page, and a 2-week delivery timeline. Price anchor. $27 to $197 depending on perceived value. Tech. Gumroad, Ko-fi, or PayPal buttons and a short landing page. Reputation guard. Clear delivery date and refund policy. Give a small bonus if delivery runs late. Each play has pros and cons. Retainer rescue and premium time blocks keep relationships intact. Micro offers and marketplace sprints are fastest for new cash. Pop-ups and products scale if you have a local audience, but run the legality check first. Scripts, pricing anchors, and the simplest tech. No fluff. I'll give you short, copy-ready lines you can use right now. Retainer rescue script. Hey, quick heads up. I value our work together and want to keep momentum, but I'm facing a short timing issue and want to propose 2 options. A brief pause with a 20% pause fee to hold your slot, or a focused 2-week mini project at 40% of the monthly rate to tackle X. Which would you prefer? I'll follow up with a short scope and payment link. Price anchor, 10 to 30% pause fee, bridge project 25 to 50. Now, a 7-day sprint example. Pick 1 play and run this exact sequence. Day 1, decide your play using the triage framework. Draft 1 outreach script or 1 landing page. Prep payment link and short terms. Do the 48-hour legality check if needed. Day 2, reach out to your top 10 contacts, past clients, warm leads, and platform DMs. Send the micro offer or retainer rescue message. Post 1 announcement in a local community or social group if you're doing a workshop. Day 3, close the first yes. Send invoice, payment link, and brief intake form. If no sales yet, tweak copy and follow up to a second list of 10 people. Day 4, delivery preparation. Create the deliverable or workshop slide deck. Keep it lean. Templates, a checklist, and 1 clear outcome. Day 5, delivery day for micro offers or first workshop. Collect feedback and quick testimonials. Day 6, follow up with purchasers. Offer a next step upsell, a premium time block or extended package, and ask for referrals. Day 7, review metrics, number of leads, conversion rate, time to delivery, net revenue after fees. If conversion less than 10% on a micro offer, pause and either adjust price or messaging. That's your failure mode guard. Success signals, at least 1 confirmed payment and a clear path to repeat that sale. This 7-day rhythm gets you to first dollar fast and gives you a real data point to scale or pivot. 30-day rollout and rollback rules. If a play shows early traction, here's how to scale responsibly. Week 1, test and validate. Measure conversion and customer satisfaction. Week 2, optimize delivery and increase capacity by 1 additional slot or a small price bump. Week 3, systematize. Add a checkout page, an automated email sequence, and a clear intake form. Week 4, scale outreach. Double the targeted promos, run a second workshop, or add marketplace proposals. Rollback rules, when to stop, if customers complain about quality, if refund requests exceed 10% of orders, or if local legal questions arise that you can't clear quickly, pause immediately. Offer refunds, communicate transparently, and propose a remedial plan. Reputation first. Always choose long-term relationship preservation over a quick dollar. Keep a simple refund policy in writing and honor it when needed. That's how you protect future income while you rescue today's cash flow. 3 quick takeaways before you go. 1. Pick plays by speed, certainty, legal risk, and reputation, not by how fun they sound. 2. Use conservative pricing anchors and reputation guardrails. A quick dollar isn't worth burning a client. 3. Run a disciplined 7-day sprint to validate and then a measured 30-day rollout if it works. I want you to feel confident enough to pick 1 play and take action today. Before we close, a reminder and a legal safeguard. This episode shares operational strategies, not tailored legal or tax advice. If you're unsure about visas, permits, or tax residency, consult a local professional. I included a 48-hour fast legality checklist and downloadable scripts in the free 30-day emergency cashflow kit at nomadlifesuccess.com. Grab the kit to get the scripts, templates, payment examples, and a worksheet to run your 7-day sprint. Okay, one last thing. Your freedom is closer than it feels. Let's keep building it. Trust the process. You've got this.